Yeah, when I hit it, it went all the way to the sand trap and came back.
No pressure.
Come one with the Christmas ornament. Feed ball.
What'd you say about linking that up to YouTube, Mark?
Man, that's a,
Good.
that's a sand
That's a
trapper.
sand trapper.
Oh, you know what?
Set him up another one.
One more. You want one more shot?
One more. No.
It's Larry's turn.
That was so good. One more.
Kind of just hold that.
Okay, I'll let you do it there.
Playing the whole round with this one.
The whole round?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm glad to hear that.
One more.
Well, it's your turn, man. You gotta take one here. You got a camera.
Do I need to set up for a left-hander?
What? No.
Tee shot right there.
One more. No. Al will hit it. Al will take
Okay,
it.
you'll hit it out.
Do one now?
This is like drag racing. See if you can back that up.
Back at that.
All right.
Can you do two on the green?
Damn, what a swing.
I didn't know my own strength.
That was a good setup too, man.
That's a good one, man.
didn't know
But it's not as good as we got you with the left-handed club.
Oh, but that's close, wasn't it?
That was good.
Hey, we got Teddy with the floating ball. It turned to powder. There's still powder over there.
I know, I see it, man.
Yeah, my powder blew up everywhere.